Hi everyone, welcome to New Finance and welcome to another video on ETC Ethereum Classic. In this video, I want to talk about the recent price action with ETC, compare it to the overall market, to the likes of Bitcoin, Ethereum and other altcoins, and also go over an article which highlights key support and resistance lines coming up in the next days and weeks for Ethereum Classic. And I want to end this video with a price prediction and also a few tips on if you are someone who is trading and also looking to hold ETC for the long run, on how to benefit from these price actions that we've been seeing and how familiar patterns have been forming in terms of the price, enabling us to predict movement on the upwards or downward direction over and over again, subsequently allowing us to profit. So before we begin, guys, it will help us a lot if you hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button for the algorithm, and if you really like to follow us on Instagram, you can go ahead at New Finance Lifestyle and share your opinion with us in the comment section below as well. So first of all, going to Ethereum Classic, currently trading around $66. Currently trading around $66, with price being up 37% today, and trading volume up 26%. Even though trading volume, we our all-time high, we saw it at 24 plus billion dollars, with market dominance well over 0.56 and market rank about 16 and above. So guys, we are once again falling down on the market dominance and market rank and also trading volume, hence the reduced volatility that we've been seeing in the past few hours. And comparing that price to the whole market, today Bitcoin is up 15%. It has bounced back nicely, but still on the 7-day it's down 12%. Ethereum, I am not surprised. Ethereum is up from its lows of 1,900, I believe. It's up 27% today, even though it's down 23% on the weekly. But Ethereum is running to recover fast. So, and it could be good news for the likes of ETC. So compared to these percentage gains that we're seeing for Ethereum and Bitcoin, at 16% and 27%, ETC is up 38%. So we're doing phenomenal compared to these other assets on a daily gain. So moving on to this article that I want to talk about. So guys, in this channel, I've always been frank. I'm not going to talk about, I've always proposed a bearish and a bullish scenario, because it's not always, we can't just keep heading up and up and up and up or in one direction, regardless of it's up or down. We got to be realistic. We got to not get emotional. We got to just put the numbers together and see where we're going realistically, right? So just an article published today on FX Street from Akash, talking about ETC looks to continue its descent. So don't get me wrong, this also has a bullish scenario here that we're going to touch on as well, okay? So just bear with me. So Ethereum Classic price sliced through a supply zone stretching from 59 to $80, signaling weakness. So he's talking about how the price of Ethereum Classic went from 80 to below 59, slashing below this high demand zone that we had previously, indicating a weakness in its price. A retest of 59 leading to a 35% downswing seems likely. So when this article was published, and at the time the price of Ethereum Classic was around 51, they said a retest of 59 is likely, followed by a 35% downswing. And bear with me, guys. Remember this. I'm going to talk to you guys in the chart about this, where it could go if it goes 35% from 59, okay? So Ethereum Classic has dropped 72% from its all-time high at $179 and hints that this crash could continue. During this massive sell-off, ETC formed a demand zone that extends from $59 to $80. However, the bears disregarded the support and sliced through it, flipping it into a support zone. The next course of action for Ethereum Classic price is to either test the lower boundaries of the resistance area at 59 and head lower, or continue to freefall from its current position at 51 at the time this article was written. So it's pretty clear that we've tested this 59 and we've gone above it, currently trading above $66. Assuming a retest of 59, ETC could stand to depreciate to 20% to tag the immediate support at $46. So at this time, if it can't hold 59, it is predicted to depreciate 20% and test 46 dollars again. A breakdown of this barrier will serve as a confirmation of a downtrend, and if $46 is broken, a downtrend is confirmed. In that case, the altcoin could slide 15% to tag the subsequent support floor at $39, which we have tested before. If the bearish momentum continues to pour in, 33 is another one to watch, and 27 is another one to watch. While things look grim for Ethereum Classic price, if the bid orders pile up to pierce the supply zone ranging from 59 to 80, it will signal the presence of interested buyers. So just as I touched on earlier, the fact that this is a huge demand zone and we broke below it, making it a support zone, and now we've broken back above it, which signals the presence of interested buyers, meaning people are interested in accumulating ETC. As you know, that we are in an accumulation phase before we perhaps move on to the upside when we do in the near future. Additionally, a decisive 12-hour candlestick close above $80 will invalidate the bearish outlook and indicate the start of an uptrend. In that case, if the sidelined investors jump on the bandwagon, ETC could rise to 20% to test the resistance barrier at $95. So if we do close above $80 on the 12-hour chart, we could go as high as 95. So once again, guys, watch $80. If it does close above $80, you know the likelihood of it going to 95 is huge, because it's not going to be just me and you waiting at $80. It's going to be a hell of a lot of people who want to, benefit from the rise up to 95. It's a $15 rise. Huge. If you're holding in the hundreds of ETC, the $15 move could be huge for you when it comes to taking profits. So guys, I want to talk about finally end the video on a price prediction where ETC is going. I've heard about if we do test all-time high again, the resistance is gone and we could go as high as $400 to $500. I've seen articles talking about this being a bull flag forming in 12-hour time frame, which I can't get up on TradeView for some reason. So this pole going on top of this flag apparently goes all the way up to 500, and it's only a prediction, and the main thing that I want to talk about when it comes to prices and how ETC has been behaving lately, is here. How we've over and over we've seen ETC have a huge dip, recover, have a smaller dip, recover, and go above that previous high after that dip, and then have a small dip there, and then go test that previous high that we've made here, and then take another huge dump onto the downside. And on this graph, it looks, it doesn't look by much, but if you look here, it's going from around $80 to $54, and that is huge. So if you short ETC around these areas, you're willing to profit around here. So around here, you got a similar thing forming, where we've had this huge dip, we've had one retest of the price recovering back, dipping back down here, and now it's heading back up. And honestly, with what is going on with the market, shorting it, I don't know, you would have to think again about shorting the market, but I have personally done it over and over again here on the way down, and honestly, I don't want to say it's still possible and it would still work because of the fact that we've been beaten this downward trend now. But honestly, just watch the price. If you are watching the chart over and over again, see how it reacts after a dip, and remember that, or analyze it, and then it's more likely to happen again after the next dip. And if you know how it's going to behave after the next dip, you know how to use your money, and where to buy and where to sell. So once again, guys, please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you guys out. I would say hold tight. If you're in it for the long run, and if you've bought all the way up here, over $100, we are certainly heading back up there. So just hold on tight with everything going on within the market. It's not really ETC that is letting us down. It's all the big boys, Bitcoin and all the others. So guys, thank you so much once again. I'll see you guys in the next one.